Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So after a very long time, I'm back again with a new video. So in my previous videos, we have read about the topics related to polygons, quadrilateral, properties of polygons and quadrilaterals, and under which we learned the main property, that is angle sum property, and solved a few practice questions and examples regarding it, right? So if you have not watched the videos regarding these topic, please watch it in my YouTube channel Teacher Hub. You will find videos regarding these topics. So today we are going to study or solve some more problems based on polygons and quadrilaterals. So without any delay, let's go to the first problem. Yes, that is, find the value of x and the measures of the missing interior angles in the quadrilateral. Yes. So you can see the quadrilateral there. HG, F and E. So this is the quadrilateral. So what have they given here? So let's check out the given first. Whichever sum are you solving, first see what is given, what is known, and from the known how to find out the unknown. Okay, so angle H, angle E and angle F has been given. That means basically we know only angle F properly, right? What is that? 108 degree. Angle H and angle E has been named as x degree and angle E is x plus 12 degree. And from these three angles, we need to find out the angle F. So angle G. Sorry, we need to find from these three angles, we need to find out the angle G, which is the unknown. Basically, angle H, angle E and angle G, all the three are unknown angles. Why? Because we don't know the value of x. So first and foremost, and also you can see there's an exterior angle also given, x minus 2 degrees. So our first and foremost step will be to find out the x value. Until don't confuse your x value with g. Your angle g is not x. Okay. In order to find out angle G, first we need to find out X, and then through angle sum property of quadrilateral, we'll find out angle G. Now forget about that. First let's find out the X value. Okay, don't confuse your X value with angle G. Okay, your angle G is not X. X is angle H. Okay, so yes. Now, as you can observe there, you can see 108 degree is the interior angle of the given quadrilateral and x minus 2 degree is the exterior angle of the given quadrilateral. What can we infer from this? Exactly. These two pair of angles form a linear pair. And what is linear pair? Linear pair of angles are those angles which those two angles add up to form 180 degree. So you have got the sum here. Yes, see, so when you add 108 degree plus x minus 2 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. I told the reason why, because it's a linear pair, and linear pair are those angles which add up to form 180 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So from this equation, you need to always keep this in your mind. Okay, whenever you see such type of angles, use this and find out the x value. So 108 degree plus x minus 2 degree is equal to 180 degree, because those two pair of angles form a linear pair. Now from this we get our x value, that is 74 degrees. Yes, so we got an x value now. Now what is this x value? Angle H. Yes. So because they have given there, your angle H is nothing but your x degrees. And we found out the x value, right? So angle H is equal to 74 degrees. Yes. Now how do you find out the angle E? You've already found out the angle, X, that is angle H. Using that, just instead of X, substitute 74 and find out the angle E. Now we have angle H, angle E and angle F, right? Your angle H is 74 degrees, angle E is 86 degrees, and angle F is 108 degrees, which is already given. So from these three angles, how do we find out the missing angle, angle G? Using the angle sum property of quadrilateral, where all the interior angles of a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. We learned this in our previous videos, right? This is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So using that, we are going to find out angle G. Yes, so this is how you find out the missing interior angles in the quadrilateral. So I think you have understood. If you didn't understand, please watch this video again and try to solve it on your own. So first we found out the x value using linear pair. Secondly, from that we found out angle H and then angle E using the given equation x plus 12 degree, and then eventually using the angle sum property of the quadrilaterals we used that and we found out angle G. So this is how we solve this sum. Let's go to next sum. Yes, let's go to the second sum, that is find the value of x and the measures of the missing angles. First and foremost, which type of a polygon is this? Can you name it for me? How many sides does it has? 7 sides. Very good. So a 7-sided polygon is called as heptagon. Please buy the names of the polygon according to the sides at least till 10. It will be helpful for you. In order to find out the sum of the interior angles of any polygon, at least till 10 you buy the names. So this is a 7-sided polygon. So it is a heptagon. Okay. So now we all know that in order to find out the missing angles, we need to know the concept of angle sum property. Using that concept only we find out the missing angles, isn't it? Right? We have done this for quadrilaterals also, we have done this for triangles also. All these while we have been doing that only. So similarly, we are going to do it for heptagon also. So what are the missing angles here? Angle C and angle G are the missing angles, right? So first and foremost, in order to find out the angle C, we need to find out angle G, that is x. How do we do it? Yes, using the angle sum property only. Now, can anyone tell me what is the sum of the interior angles of a heptagon? Now, you cannot by heart the sum of the interior angles. We all know the sum of the interior angles of a triangle, which is 180 degree. For a quadrilateral, it is 360 degree. Yes or no? Yes. So we cannot by heart the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral for each and every polygon, right? It is difficult to by heart. So, in my previous videos regarding the topic of angle sum property of polygons, under that, I have discussed a method of calculating the sum of the interior angles of any polygon given the number of sides. So in my previous video, I have discussed this topic regarding the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. If you have not watched that video, please go and watch it, because without that concept of finding the sum of the interior angles of any polygon using the given number of sides, you won't be able to solve these type of sums. In order to solve the missing angle type of sums, you need to know the angle sum property, right? And for each and every polygon, we cannot by heart the sum. It is impossible. So we find it out, right? And in order to find out, you need to know the formula for it. And I have discussed this formula in my previous videos of the angle sum property. If you have, I've put this link where I the video link where I discussed this topic of finding out the sum of the interior angles of a polygon using the number of sides. I've put this my video link in my description. Please go and watch it. Without that knowledge, you won't be able to solve these type of sums. Okay, for any polygon you can find out that. So what is the formula? N minus 2. I'm repeating again. N minus 2 into 180 degree. How this formula came? What is the reason behind this? Everything, the whole concept I have discussed in that video. I have put that video link in my description. Please go and watch it. It is an already discussed topic. Okay, if you have not watched it, please go and watch it. So yes, in a similar way, we found out the sum of the interior angles using n minus 2 into 180 degree, where your n is, yes, sides. So what is the number of sides here? 7. So n is equal to 7. 7 minus 2 is 5, and 5 into 180 is 900 degrees. I have not shown the calculation here. So if you want, you can do that. That is not necessary here. You can do it as a rough work. Okay. So yes. So we know the interior, sum of the interior angles of a heptagon, which is 900 degree. So just substitute this, add those angles, 7 angles, and equate it to 900 degrees. That's it. From that you will get your x value, which is 80 degrees. So your angle G is 80 degrees. So what will be your angle C? 2 into 80, 160 degrees. So this is how you find out the missing angles. And in order to do that, you need to you need to have the knowledge of angle sum property. That is the sum of the interior angles of any polygon. Right? Without this knowledge, you won't be able to do it. Yes, let's go to the third sum. The measures of two angles in a triangle are 57 degree and 73 degrees. What is the measure of the third angle? So this is a pretty easy sum, right? We have solved this type of sums in our previous videos also. So let's consider the third angle as x. What is the interior angle sum property of a triangle? Which is equal to 180 degrees. Just that's it. Substitute it. You will get it. Yes. So this is how we find out your x value. So x is equal to 50 degrees. So this is your third angle. See, again, you need to know the interior angle sum property of a triangle. So in order to find out everywhere, keep this in your mind. Wherever the sum in which they have asked to find out the missing angle, without the total angle sum property, you cannot find out the missing angle. Here also, two angles have been given, third angle they have asked us to find. So using the angle sum property, where it is 180 degree for a triangle, we found out the third angle. That's the missing angle. So your third angle x is equal to 50 degrees. Hope you have understood.
Find the value of x and y. Here is a figure given A, B, C, and they have not named this. A, they have given the angle as 2x minus 8 degrees. This is 33 degrees. And here 3y minus 3 degrees. And here 5x plus 22 degrees. You have to find out the values of x and y. According to angle sum property of a triangle is equal to 3 angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Whereas the 4 angles of a polygon or a quadrilateral is equals to 360 degrees. Therefore, this is equals to 360 degrees because it is a 4-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? I repeat again. These two signs shows that these two sides are equal, and here also these two sides are equal. Here these two sides are equal means two angles also should be equal. Hence here is the solution. 3y minus 3 is equals to 33 degrees. It is already given because they both are equal. 3y is equals to transposing 33 plus 3. 3y is equals to 36. Y is equals to 36 by 3. 3 1s are 3 12s are. Therefore, y is equals to 12. So, let us find out the value of x. Now, I am taking all the angles together. 2x minus 8 because I know the value of y. 2x minus 8 plus 33 plus 5x plus 22 plus 33. How you got 33? Means I have substituted y value here. 3 into 33 minus 3 is 33 again. I have substituted the value of y here. I got the answer as 33. Hence, I have written here it as 33 because these two angles are equal, which is equals to 360 degrees. I repeat again, 2x minus 8, 33, 5x plus 22. This also, if you substitute the value of y as 12 here, you will get the value 33, that is 33 degrees only. Therefore, I have written it as 33 here, which is equals to 360 degrees. 7x plus 88, that is 33 plus 33 plus 22. I got the value as 88 minus 8. I have taken this minus 8 as it is here, which is equals to 360 degrees, which implies 7x plus 80, that is 88 minus 8 is 80, is equals to 360 degrees, which implies 7x is equal to 360 minus 80. You got 7x is equal to 280. X is equal to 280 by 7. 7 ones are 7 fours are. Therefore, you got the value of x as 40 and the y as 12. So, to verify whether you have done the sum correctly or not, here is a verification. Now, what I did here is I have substituted the value of x in this place. 2x minus 8. 2 into, that is x, you got the value as 40. 2 into 40 minus 8. 2 4s are 8. That is 2 40s are 80 minus 8. You got the value as 72 degrees. Here, 5x plus 22. 5 into 40 plus 22. 5 4s, 40s are 200 plus 22. 222. Now, I am substituting all the values in this quadrilateral, that is four-sided figure. See, look here. 2x minus 8, I got the value as 72 plus 33. For this one, I got as 222. 222 plus here 33 is equal to 360. So, what we have done is the right answer. So, this is a figure. They have asked you to find the value of x. This is 114 degrees. 184 degrees, 135 degrees, 94 degrees, 194 degrees, 83 degrees, 200 degrees, x degrees and x plus 14. You have to find out the value of x. According to angle sum property of a polygon, which is equals to 360 degrees, isn't it? Sum of all the angles of the polygon is equals to 360 degrees. So I'm adding everything. 114, 184, 135 plus 94 plus 194 plus 83 plus 200 plus x plus 14 is equals to 360 degrees. If I add everything, I got the answer as 1018 plus you have 2x here. 2 plus 2x is equal to 360 degrees. Therefore, 2x is equal to 360 minus 1018. 2x is equal to minus 658 degrees. X is equal to minus 658 divided by 2. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 9s are. X is equals to minus 329 degrees. So, you got the value of x here. Substitute here. That is minus 329 plus 14. You will get minus 315 degrees. So to verify it, you have to get 360 degrees. If you add everything and minus with these two numbers, minus 320, that is x value, this is minus 315, you will get the value as 360 degrees. Hence, what you have done is the right thing. So find the value of A and B. This is the figure. They have given the measurements like this. So this is 90 degrees angle. This is A and this is B. These two sides are equal. These two sides are equal. You have to find the value of A and B. So here this part, they have given it as 1.2 centimeters and this part they have given it as 4 centimeters. How will you do this sum? Solution, this is a base. So here they have given full, from here till here they have given it as 1.8 centimeters. Now they have divided here into two halves, that is 1.8 divided by 2. If I divide by 2, I am removing this decimal, I am putting the 0 here, 18 by 20. 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20 and 9 divided by 10 you will get 0.9. Therefore, this part is 0.9 and this part is 0.9. The total part is 1.8 centimeters. Understood? So I have written it like this. I have taken this part here like this and I have taken this part and I have written it like this here. A, B, C. So B and C, as you know, it is 0.9. This is 1.2 means this part is 1.2. You have to find out this hypotenuse part. That is A. Therefore, AC square is equal to, apply the Pythagoras theorem here, Pythagorean triplet. AB square plus BC square. This AC square is nothing but you have to find out A square, which is given in the figure itself. AB square is 1.2. 1.2 square plus BC. This part is 0.9 square. Therefore, A square is equal to 1.2 square is 1.44 plus 0.9 square is 0.81, which is equals to 2.25. A is equal to square root of 2.25 is 1.5. Now you got the value of A. Similarly, B you have to find out. This part. Look here. So this part they have given it as 4 centimeter. That is BD is 4 centimeter. BC is 0.9. And this is B part you have to find out. That is CD square is equal to, again apply Pythagoras triplet theorem. CD square is equal to BD square plus BC square. B square is equals to this. B square is equals to BD square is how much? BD, this part is 4 square they have given. 4 square plus BC square. This part is 0.9. 0.9 square. 4 square is 16 plus 0.81 is equal to 16.81. If you add these two, therefore B is equals to square root of 16.81 is 4.1.
Yes, thank you everyone. See you in the next video. Hope you have understood.